just woke up. Of course I have stuff I gotta do today. We're doing some stuff around the house in terms of like remodel, and it's just crazy time nonsense, and it's like I can't even take you around my house because it's just messy. There's just stuff everywhere. Anywho, we're chilling. We're chilling. That's what we're doing this holiday season. All honored right now because I just got out of Target and I bought two things. I bought a dog mom mug. Like, I totally need one of those, right? Because I am totally a dog mom. But Duval just sent me a message, and it was like the sweetest message. They were just saying how beautiful my Instagram profile is and all that kind of stuff. I already did like a video on the Duval cleanser. I really liked it. You guys should really go check it out. It's really in depth. But they said I had a beautiful Instagram profile. Like, what? No one ever says that to me. I'm so honored. I'm kind of winging it by the skin of my teeth with Instagram, and I just do what I do, but like, are you just saying that because you guys know I love skincare and you want to get on my page? Probably, but I'll still take the compliment. For sure. Laughing my ass off right now because I have a pumpkin in the back of my trunk and I just hear it rolling around back there as I'm driving. Like, I don't know why I think this is so funny. I'm getting the biggest kick out of this freaking medium ass sized pumpkin in the back of my car. So I literally just had to pull over because this pumpkin is raging hell. Ow. Oh, my fibro. I'm on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere, just FYI. Is there another There's a car parked here, but I don't know what that's about. Better make this quick. The pumpkin girl, the pumpkin. There she is, upside down. Rolling around back here. I'm gonna put her in the creek. No, oh my God, it's running away from me. Wait, oh my, really, Morgan? I was probably like, what is this girl doing? Okay, please don't, I'm not littering. This is a pumpkin. Animals are gonna eat it. Stocked trout. Oh, these are stocked trout waters. That's cool. Okay, we're gonna give the trout a pumpkin because I'm tired of listening to it roll around in my back seat. Ow. Should I let it flow down the river or the creek? 1, 2, 3. There she goes. There she blows, going down the creek. Bye, pumpkin. I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna go fishing here. It's pretty, right? Like next to this major highway, like loving it. My only hope is that like a cute little deer or something eats it, or like a squirrel, you know? Like I feel like it could be an animal's dinner, especially now at this time of year. It's so cold that, you know what? Because I let the animals around my house eat my pumpkins. Like, I'll just let the squirrels pig out until they're fat. So I'm hoping that pumpkin is a meal. I'm just so mad that it came to me like that. I'm just like worked up about it. I don't know what my problem is today. It's just like that. You wanna know what, guys? I know, like right now I'm just starting out still, and it's like, I take my relationship with you guys very seriously. So the products that I like stand behind, like the Duval spin system, that's an awesome system. I'm so far still standing by it. That came to me correct, that has worked directly as described, and I really like it. And then it's like you have other brands that are coming to me incorrect, and it's just frustrating because these brands, they want you to give them a good review. They don't want you to say bad things about them, right? But it's like as influencers, I can't be sitting around and just saying something's good just to say it's good. Like it's really like, I kind of get offended by it. So let's just get started. So I got this buffer for the last section. We're gonna start with the base coat, and let's see. So I already cleaned my nail base, by the way, so we're gonna just take this out. Oh, okay, so this is just like a standard thing. It's very strong in scent, I mean, obviously. So, but let's see, it's clear. And it applies, I mean, the only thing that's gonna save this product for me right now is if it applies exceptionally well. I mean, if this does a good job, then so I just applied it. It's very shiny, as you can see. If this does a great job, then, you know, I'll still recommend it, but just heads up, packaging might come to you whack. Actually, I should write to their customer service and see how they respond to this, because, you know, what's gonna happen, you guys? They're not gonna send me anything? Oh, boo-hoo-hoo. Okay, and we're gonna go. So here it is on the first layer, very shiny, feels strong. I don't know how much, you get 0.23 fluid ounces of each of these like liquids for your nails. So we're gonna apply. All right, so I just did the first layer. Dip nail into your Rossi Glam Powder, then apply a second layer of the base coat. Okay, so now we're gonna dip into the Rossi Glam Powder right here in the color Skyscraper. Oh, I don't know if I wanted to dry. Okay, I should have opened this before I started. So we're opening this. Oh, shoot. Now you guys know it comes with a protective seal, thank God, but I wasn't thinking and I should have, oh, it came right off very easily actually. Oh, it actually looks really pretty though inside. It's really, really sparkly. I don't want to tilt it too up. Shit. Oh, now this turned into a mess. Ah! Ow! Oh my God! God! That shit, ow! Oh my God! Guys, I have sparkle all over my table and that is very, oh my God. Okay, we're gonna dip. Wow, we're gonna dip. Okay, so that's the first layer. Okay, second layer. I am a skincare influencer. The whole nail game and me, we just don't jive. Okay, so. Do you guys see that? We're gonna go in with the second one. It's not even working. It's like not even working. It's what it, I'm getting this all over my table, but actually I just don't even care anymore. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Do you guys see that? It could look really pretty if it worked, right? Let's see. We're gonna go in with the second layer because that obviously didn't work, so let's see. So we're gonna go in with this second layer. So I'm gonna dip them as soon as I like put that down because maybe it dried really quick and it didn't stick really well. So I'm giving this another shot. Oh, well that worked a lot better. Okay, so you guys, so now we know that don't paint all your nails first. Like dip it in, apply it, then dip, like everything at once. It's not like a typical manicure. Oh God. I mean, this is obviously applying a lot nicer. So we're gonna have to just dip each one by one. I've never done this with my nails before, so I really don't know. Like I wasn't expecting that. I wish it kind of clarified in the packaging, like each individually run right after the other so I didn't make that mistake because I've never had a dip thing done before. And we're dipping. Don't let this get on your skin and touch something else or you're screwed. Oh, Liz, my friend Lizzie just called me. I'm so happy to hear from her.
Hello.
Lizzie, I'm filming right now. Say hi to my subscribers.
Oh, hi, subscribers.
Yo, Liz, I am doing this dip thing with my nails and it's like, I can't even put it into words. Like this, I just hurt myself really bad. off this brand. They sent me a package with like glue all over the box. Here, they didn't securely package it, and one of the little bottles busted in the packaging, and it's like, yeah.
Oh no.
Hey you guys, I'm back. I tried to do this, but honestly, this is what happened to me. Everything kind of bubbled up. I can't get it off, even with 100% acetone. I do not recommend these products. Between the busted packaging, the way it applied, and now the fact that it looks like crap and I can't even get it off with 100% acetone, no beauty product is worth this, and I do not recommend this brand. And that's all I'm gonna say about this. I'm so sorry. I thought this was gonna be a fun pedicure, manicure moment for us, but it's not.